Well, I'm trying to hold on to this because the PVC is there. So let me take a little bit of fondant.
It's precarious.
I could have cut that PVC a little slower.
Yeah.
It would be way easier. Okay, before I get like too much further though, I'll just keep these out here and we need to plug it in.
We'll see if it works.
Yeah.
I want the birds to fly backwards.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at it go.
The lighthouse is moving.
Yes, everything's moving. Okay, so obviously we've got a couple of things to fix. The lighthouse moving for one.
Well.
So we're going to tape these exposed wires so if they touch, it will be okay. And then we'll cut gonna have to cut the top of the house off there. Okay, so if I glue this puppy on,
What are you doing now?
trying to glue the lighthouse
To the
To the
solo
cup.
cup? Okay.
without gluing that pipe underneath, because that's not good.
Yeah.
Then it won't move. You're killing me. Killing me here. Okay, so we'll just do some cobblestones.
Cobblestones. Yeah, they have those at lighthouses. Cobblestones?
Well, you know, like the breaker,
Yeah.
break,
Yeah. That's it.
the jetty. So what you need to do if it doesn't look straight, then when you put all your stuff on, you try to fix it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Now these rocks are just fondant with black and white marble.
Black, white, marble, that's
marbled
it.
Together.
Yep, that's all you got to do.
Look at that. Yeah, we're good.
We're good.
Okay, you got some red fondant.
Got some red fondant, just rolling it into a cord. Just want to put a little bit of color up here on the house. Put a little bit of shortening on there for it to stick.
Okay.
And we'll do it like right around here.
Color on the lighthouse.
So it matches.
Highlight it with some red fondant.
Well, you could do red and blue too if you want.
Ooh. Okay, lighthouse has some red on it.
That really would, you know. Okay, so let's get on to some of this stuff to move. So we need some piping gel.
Piping gel.
The seagulls, I have some pre-cut there. This is wafer paper, so you need something that is light. So wafer paper is light. Fondant might be too heavy for the motor, and that's why I chose wafer paper. Okay, so I've got these pre-cut here already. You could just take a little bit of the gel. I'm going to do it right in the middle here of the body of the bird.
Okay.
Okay, and then put it on around the wire. And so I can bend the wings down.
Now you could affix these pretty much any way you wanted to, right?
Yep.
A piece of tape or a dot of glue or whatever.
Okay, so how I got that, what I did is I just printed a photo here of paper seagulls. And then, so I need one more. I thought I'd better do it and show you. So I go ahead and I pick one and I went around it a little bit larger than it was, so that when I cut off the black. Okay, but I need two pieces. So what I did is I went ahead and I folded the paper like this and then cut them out. So again, you're cutting off the black.
And that's just wafer paper?
Mm-hmm.